guys, and I finally got my account back. I finally got my LADYCUTEFOXX account back. I changed the password, and oh my gosh, I am so freaking excited. I'm on my old account right now. Look at all this beta stuff. Look at that. This is almost all beta right now. I am like so happy right now. I screamed when I got it. I have like the flower crown. I have one flower crown. I think I only have one. Yeah, I do. I thought I had like 3 or something like that on it. But I got my account back, and I'm so excited. You have no clue. And oh my god. I'm just freaking out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy. Okay, so we're gonna go to Monday.
18% of those conversions. Well, then take a look at this. Let's get Mike Pereira's thoughts in LA.
Okay, so we're gonna put it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and buy.
It's out. I mean, if you look at the first contact, it looks like the ball slips out of his right arm.
Some necklaces.
I
was like saying something that told Brenner about this.
Watches the ball begins to look like it slips out of his hand, and his arm now is off the ball. As we look at it here, all of us, we think it's really a fumble, and it could be overturned into West Virginia's ball.
Mike, is it enough in your mind? If you're down there in the field, are you overturning this?
Well, I mean, that's the thing. If I'm in the replay booth and I'm looking at this, and what I'm trying to say is the ball completely out of his hand, it's really close. And when you look at it, some of you think it is a fumble, and some of you don't.
Finally.
You know, is it clear and obvious? Is it indisputable? Hard to say, but to me, it looks like with the legal hit that the ball slips out of his arm. So I'm thinking, of
like,
course,
I feel bad
I wouldn't make the
that
greatest
I
replay
take
system
all
in the
that
world,
stuff,
but I think if it was
but I
really reverse, it
kind
would
of
make
want
it
to
a
stay on
This is
this
the best
account
angle. Watch
a
the
little
left
bit.
hand of White and watch the ball.
So
To me, right
I
there,
don't
it's out.
really know
Yeah.
what
And it's
to
now
do.
a fumble, and White ends up coming up with it. Because Bouchel no longer has
Like,
possession
I'm
of the football
still
sitting there on his
trying
hip.
to figure
As you can
out
see, White,
if
as it
I
pops up, just
want
happens to
to,
grab it right in his lap. That to me would be
The other aspect is they did not move forward progress. Had they
I'm gonna just
moved
take this
forward
stuff and put
progress,
it into
then
this
wouldn't
one,
even be reviewable. So,
because
since they
for
basically
now,
ruled it
but
that
later
no
I'll
contact,
think
that's
about
the
it and see
question
if I
here.
want to ask my mom for the membership
All right,
on
we
this one
appreciate
and
you
just take the
giving
membership
us your
off
thoughts
this
on
one.
it. We should be close to
So
a
I'll see if I can do that, but I'm gonna just do this because I'm videoing right now.
Texas presumably tries to
Okay.
drop it within one with a field goal
So
from
I'm gonna
Domingue.
put some of
If
this
the
stuff
call on
on
the field
screen.
stands, if it's
on this
overturned,
one.
it'll be the third
So
Texas
I want
turnover
all
of
of
the day.
this.
Hasn't even been announced.
Doesn't look good. I've been like trying to figure out this one. And I like got on, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have them. Okay, sorry, that was.
Please reset the game clock to 13:35.
No, I don't have to do
What a
it.
play by Kaiser White, sack, strip, fumble. And West Virginia takes over at its own 20.
Just gonna do this.
Hey, do we have any more Dr. Pepper?
What is it? I gotta go.
Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta go and turn off this.
Hey, thanks, man.
Turn this
You've been out of the
down.
playoffs.
Yeah, you got a really steep driveway.
Okay, let me turn this thing off. Like, I legit started screaming because I finally got this back. And, you know how I am. I'm like, oh my god, I was so excited. But, I can't wait to tell Brenham because me and her were trying to figure out how to do it like for an hour. And I finally can do it. Yes. You got it. Oh, I lost the wings on this one. Oh well. Gosh. Sorry, I'm like freaking out because I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy. Like, oh my God. I don't know why though. Probably because I just, like, I was gonna actually recycle a lot of this stuff when I was on this account before, and then I didn't, like, because then I just stopped playing. So that's probably why I still have this stuff. I remember being like the worst player on this account. I mean, yeah. Like on the adventures, like I'd always want to do the adventures, and then like I'd always like admire my look and see how good it looks, and I would say, "Oh my gosh, look at my look." I'd stop and just say, "Look at my look." That's what I'd always do. I changed the password to this one, so, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is, cause, yeah, so. Okay, now I need. I didn't have to buy so much. I don't know why I did. I'm so excited. You're right. I'll keep those on here. What do I know? I don't want any of this stuff. My pets! My pets! My pets! My pets! My pets! Yeah, we should have thought that. My clever adopted. Oh, I would. Okay, my first member animal was this one. So let's just put you on the trade. That sounds like so bad. Like mean, I guess. Okay, so this is how bad, this is like how sad I was that I lost my old account, that I made a new account. I mean, no, I was so sad that I lost my LADYCUTEFOXX account. So then when I got to the Shadow Wolf one, I made this animal the same one, and I did the same exact style and everything. I can show you in a minute, but I'm gonna just take it because, yeah. Rough, cozy, stable. How? What? That makes no sense. Oh well. Wait, no, I could add one. Wait, it's not gonna let me press done. Dang it! Ugh! Okay, so I have this long video, but I just have to have this with me. I need to have this as my possession. I like totally forgot about my hot dogs. His favorite food is hot dog. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell Burnham that I got my old account back. Me and Burnham have been playing this game like since 2009. No, she didn't play it at 2009 because she was actually really born. So, I'll have this, and this, and down like that, this, and that, and that, and that. I'll have 2 mirror waterfalls. I can't reach. Dude, mostly, like, I'm sure I have, like, a bunch. 92. I feel really bad for, like, taking all this stuff from my old account. But I don't think my mom will, buy me a membership account another time, I can't tell. For another one, what's the thing? Oh, dang it. I have like a bunch of really good animals on this account. Makes me so mad. The best ones. Dang it. I hate it when this happens, honestly. When you like, why animal channel? Like, you have no clue how hard it has been for me to, like, not figure out how to use this password. Oh my gosh, it bothered me so badly. Dude, Christmas in here or whatever, oh my gosh, it's amazing. You want me in motion pieces? See what? See what? There's nothing ocean here. What? Okay.
The hair on the face of a man is said to be as strong as copper wire. So what's a man to do? How about a razor with blades stronger than steel?
Oh, I never took
The new
this.
Gillette Mach 3 is engineered to take on hair this tough. From metal stubble to manly stubble. The new Mach 3 with the world's #1 selling blades. Now starting under $10. To the best a man can get. During the whole time, discover why Ford is America's best-selling brand. With the most
So what now? Sorry, this video is all about me giving all my stuff to my old account. I mean, to my new account. But I just like needed to record this because it's a very good time. And I've been waiting for this my whole life. No! I hate it when I do that. I really want Brim to answer me. Answer my calls, please. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, everybody, I want y'all all to be here when it comes December 1st because it's amazing. Jason, what's this one? Oh, show it. The article. Oh, I forgot I had that. I'm on top of the world. Wait for this for a while. I have that. It's a long way up to the Okay. How many fan items do I have now? Well, I have 100. Dude, it's like, oh my god. Oh, so I'll be right back once I send all this stuff to my old account, so I'll be right back. So I just finished trading everything to my new account, which is this one right here. Everything is on here now, and in the dens, I got everything in there. Okay, so now this is all the animals I have in my thing. I have the Arctic wolf, I have the cheetah, which was my favorite, the fox, and the Arctic wolf again, and the deer,